Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to dispute errors on your Experian credit reports. There are a couple of ways to do this. The first way is the online dispute. So what you want to do is to go to the Experian website and log into your account, and you can just click on the disputes tab. Now you want to choose the error that you want to dispute from the list of items on your report, and just provide a clear explanation on why you're disputing the error, and just submit your dispute to Experian. Now to do that on the mobile device for phone, you can just call Experian, call the Experian dispute hotline. The number is right there on your screen, and then just provide the representative with the error information and the reason for your dispute, and just follow up with the Experian to ensure that your dispute is processed and resolved. Now to do that on mail, what you want to do is to first download the dispute form from Experian website, and then just fill out the form with the error information and the reason for disputes. And of course, you're going to need to attach any supporting documents such as proof of identity or payment records, and then just mail the form to Experian at the address provided. Now the required document that you're going to need to attach, of course, the first is the proof of identity. You're going to need to provide a valid government issued identification card. That could be a driver's license, it could be passport or whatever. And you're gonna need a proof of address. You're gonna need to provide a utility bill or other documents showing your current address. You're also gonna need to provide any additional documents that support your dispute, such as payment records or court documents and the likes. Now for dispute resolution, once you've made your dispute, Experian will investigate your dispute and verify the information that you have provided, and they're going to help you to resolve that dispute and update your credit reports accordingly. They're also going to notify you once everything has been resolved. Now, a couple of tips for using this. The first, of course, is to check your credit report regularly. So you want to make sure that you check your report regularly in order to detect any errors. You also want to dispute errors as soon as possible to avoid potential damage to your credit score. You also want to keep records of your disputes, including dates and communication with Experian. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.